In this video, I will show you how to fix Nike Run Club not syncing to Apple Health. First, open the Apple Health app to check if your runs are missing. Then, go back to your iPhone home screen and open the Settings app. At the top, use the search bar and type Nike Run Club. Select it from the results. Once you're in the app settings, make sure background app refresh is turned on. This allows the app to sync data even when you're not actively using it. If it still doesn't sync, go back into the Health app, tap on your profile, then under Privacy, tap Apps. And make sure Nike Run Club has permission to share data with Health. And that's how to fix Nike Run Club not syncing to Apple Health.